In a bowl, take some boiled potatoes, about 4 of them, 2 fistfuls of boiled green peas, freshly chopped bell peppers, red and green, boiled and cut carrots, about 3 to 4 of them, grated 2 fistfuls of beetroot, 1½ finely chopped onions. Mix them well and make sure you mash the potatoes. To this, add the ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, salt as per taste, and to bind it well, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Squeeze a small piece of lime to it, about like half a piece. Mix the masalas well and make sure the vegetables are mashed. We have made the maida slurry by mixing lukewarm water to 2 tablespoons of maida. Then we're dipping it into the rava. You can also use breadcrumbs to give it a very crispy texture. Place the patty on the hot tawa this way, and the beetroot gives a very nice color to the cutlet. Let them cook and also flip them as one side gets cooked and fried, and make sure it's evenly cooked on both the sides. You could add oil as and when necessary. It's ready to serve. You could have it with tomato ketchup or mint chutney.